Ready to plant the seeds of your dreams? The August 4th, 2024 new moon is your cosmic clean slate. Stay tuned to unlock powerful rituals, intentions, and practices that will set you up for an incredible lunar cycle. Welcome, radiant souls. Today, we're tapping into the potent energy of the August 4th, 2024 new moon. Let me tell you that the new moon holds the power of intention, symbolizing fresh beginnings and the start of a new lunar cycle when the moon is hidden from view, enveloped in shadow. They announce powerful intentions and mark the commencement of new beginnings and fresh starts. This particular new moon falls in the sign of Leo, igniting our creativity, passion, and self-expression. It's the perfect time to set intentions related to confidence, leadership, and bringing more joy into our lives. Are you ready to harness this cosmic energy? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what a new moon really means. Astronomically, it's when the moon is between the Earth and the Sun, with its dark side facing us. Astrologically and spiritually, it represents a blank canvas, a time to plant seeds for what we want to grow in our lives. This August 4th new moon in Leo is particularly powerful for setting intentions related to self-expression and creativity, confidence and self-love, leadership and taking center stage, bringing more joy and playfulness into your life, heart-centered goals and passions. Remember, the energy of a new moon lasts for about 3 days before and after the exact date, so you have a window of opportunity to work with this energy. Now, let's explore a simple yet powerful new moon ritual. You'll need a piece of paper and pen, a candle, preferably yellow or gold for Leo energy, optional, crystals like sunstone or citron. Start by creating a sacred space. Light your candle and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, write down 3 to 5 intentions for this lunar cycle. Be specific and phrase them in the present tense, as if they're already happening. For example, I embrace new beginnings and welcome positive changes into my life. I release what no longer serves me and invite abundance and prosperity. I trust the universe to guide me towards my highest good. I am deserving of love, happiness, and success. I attract positivity, creativity, and abundance into my life. Once you've written your intentions, hold the paper to your heart. Visualize each intention as if it's already manifested. Feel the emotions associated with achieving these goals. Finally, fold the paper and place it under your pillow or on your altar. You can burn it safely during the full moon to release your intentions to the universe. Let's now do a brief new moon meditation to align with this Leo energy. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths, feeling yourself rooted to the earth. Visualize a ball of golden light in your solar plexus, the area just above your navel. This is your personal sun, your source of confidence and creativity. With each inhale, see this golden light growing brighter and expanding. With each exhale, feel it radiating throughout your body, filling you with warmth, confidence, and creative energy. Now, visualize yourself achieving your new moon intentions. See yourself radiating confidence, expressing your creativity freely, leading with compassion, or whatever aligns with your goals. Feel the joy and fulfillment of these manifestations. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this energy with you. Beyond our ritual and meditation, here are some practices to enhance your new moon experience. Declutter your space to make room for new energy. Start a new creative project. Practice self-love affirmations. Take a leap of faith towards a goal you've been hesitating on. Perform a fire ritual safely to ignite your passions. Remember, fire rituals often involve writing down intentions, wishes, or things you wish to release on pieces of paper and then safely burning them. The act of burning symbolizes transformation, letting go of the old, and allowing new energy and intentions to manifest. It's important to emphasize the safety aspect, ensuring that the fire ritual is conducted in a safe environment with appropriate precautions taken to prevent accidents or harm. Overall, this practice is about harnessing the potent energy of the new moon to activate and align with your passions and aspirations, fostering personal growth and renewal. Also remember that the key is to align your actions with the Leo themes of creativity, self-expression, and heart-centered living. As we wrap up our August 4th, 2024 new moon exploration, remember that you're setting the stage for the coming lunar cycle. The seeds you plant now will grow and potentially come to fruition by the full moon on August 19th. Carry the confident, creative Leo energy with you in the coming weeks. Trust in your ability to manifest your desires and don't be afraid to shine your light brightly. Thank you for joining me in this cosmic journey. May this new moon ignite your passions and lead you to beautiful new beginnings. If you found this new moon guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more astrological and spiritual content. Share your new moon intentions in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.